A Raku butterfly! Let's make one. Start with a ball of clay and flatten it in your palm, not a rolling pin, then draw out a rough wing. Then the body, you build it on a pencil so that it's hollow and nice and thin. Leave them to dry and let's make the legs. I lay them over a drawing because it's nice and easy. Then grab the wings, which are leather hard, and smooth, smush and refine the wings to get really the form that you want. We want them to be nice and dry so that they don't flop about, so a little heat gun of everything. Then let's build everything together, and I never ever add water to my makes, so just smush it all together till two become one. Then make a hole in the body so that you can push the wings in and they're not going to flop about, gravity will hold them in with a little coil. Now let's warp the whole thing, and I use a heat gun to let the clay relax before I put the legs on, and they're the most fiddly bit, so lots of holes, lots of coils, and we'll leave it to rest. Because the final thing is the antennae, and I really want to show you how you can go fiddly with Raku, so these ones are long and delicate. The same as the wings and the legs, make a hole, place them in, and then a little coil around just to hold them inside. As the clay shrinks, it will keep them secure. But now it needs a stopper, so let's make a rose. Start by squidging lots of clay into a big line and then smushing it flat. It's going to be one continuous form that you roll and 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 pinch and roll until a rose is formed. That goes into the top, add a few bigger petals if you need to, but really it's just one big smushed sausage. Then the butterfly goes on top, ready to be rakued, and here's the finished butterfly.